Good afternoon. My name is Ravi Kumar Srivastava. My age is 27-year-old. I live in Delhi. I am completed BA program correspondence from Delhi University 2015. I am searching for a job in IIT company, but unfortunately I won't getting success. After searching lots, I heard about Evision Technoserve Private Limited and their OJT program. I found that Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment consultant company, and then decided join the job internship. Then after joining internship, I would cover some real-time work exposure and experience core technology like CCNA, router and switch in cybersecurity, in window administration, and also Linux administration. There are different trainer, different model like Rahul sir, Roshan sir, Vibhuti sir in a window administration model. I learn different administration tools like task scheduler, event viewer, local user group, device manager, disk management, defragmentations, disk cleanup, and also about password policy in the Windows. I also learn how to take window voice backup recovery drive. This also about how to secure this drive and with the BitLocker encryptions. Then the DHCP configuration, how to install Windows voice in the domain network. Also learn different troubleshootings technical for the different issues like BSOD error, system hanging error, black screen error, drive error, Outlook mail incoming outgoing error, VSAD backup and creation issues. I am ready to face interview. I am confident that I will crack the interview in first attempt. I saw that I will pro asset for the company. I joined. I will try contributed 100% in a growth opportunity. Thank you.